Sunday, and we went to Bayside Christmas service, and it's just us for now. Anton's somewhere driving. So we just came in, and Anton here decided to get the first row. Literally front row. Literally, we're sitting right here.
Front row seats. We paid a lot of money for these seats.
$0.
Worth it. Worth it.
Hopefully I don't get a headache, even though I think I will, because this is going to be wild.
It's about to be lit. It's about to be lit.
We're about to have dinner. We opened up like one present each, but we're still gonna open up more later. And yeah, that's what's going down. It's a bit alive. It's a bit alive. It's the day after Christmas, and we came to the mall to do some shopping. Got our coffee. We're gonna go get bagels right now, and I don't know, see what the mall has. It's a little later on in the day, and we are snow wheeling again today. It's Anton, his sisters, Daniel, and then I think E-Man's joining us. We took a little pit stop, and then we're gonna go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is the first time we are experiencing Anton hard at labor. Check this out, folks.
Check this out.
We're taking over the vlog. We're better.
Okay, cut. You're done here.
Cut? Okay, yeah. We got. Anton, do you think that was enough to show that you're hardworking? Yeah? All right, here.
Perfect. I'm just messing.
Anton, how does it feel to do hard labor?
I do this on the daily. I'm a manual labor kind of guy.
Got it. Welcome to Lena's vlog, the most adventurous vlogs out there. Today we're in Soda Springs. We got a nice, cool 36 maybe. Got some snow melting.
You work at Caltrans?
10-4. We got a situation. Some snowmobilers are complaining about off-roaders making deep ruts.
10-4, we're sending in drone support.
3-4 will be awaiting drone support.
We got a code 27304.
Approximate time to launch.
Can I get a 10-6-4 on site, please?
Roger that.
The situation right now is I was towing Tanya on the snowboard, but since I gotta be breaking the trail, I keep having to slow down, back up, and then break the trail again. So what we're doing now is Daniel will go in front of me. He's gonna break the trail so that way I can just keep going without stopping. Whoa! What's the situation? Bro, I see you inside. Rev limiter, woo! So basically, E-Man tried to go through a shortcut.
I was being stupid.
Started flooring it.
Next to you, sir.
He's flooring it, redlining, and the next thing you know, we hear some metal grinding, something breaking.
Drive shaft. Axle shaft. Sean's #1 customer.
Axle shaft what?
Axle shaft. I don't have it. All right, guys. So, in this Jeep Cherokee, the independent front suspension is very weak.
No bueno. You need to do axle swap.
You make sure you get a solid
Okay,
axle.
let's get a shot of this. Axle. Hey, that's snapped. Oh yeah. Solid. Are you gonna take it out?
Not gonna see it down there.
Jump. Ready, set, jump. Woohoo!
You're supposed to feed him after that. What are we doing right now? We're gonna go rob a house. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. Anyways, I'm starting this a little later, but we're at Julie's right now, and we're gonna make gingerbread houses. I don't know what else we're gonna do. Probably eat. So yeah. And we brought her little gifts. And look at this cake, this Yule log. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Hello. Looking good. Julie's looking. And this is mine.
Not looking at all.
So I just finished my house. It's simple but cute.
Wait, copyright.
Why? Oh, no, it's fine. This is Anita's house.
Look at the front. Hold on.
Okay, I see you.
It's a contender.
Julie's.
Town. That's the bad part of town. It's the ghetto part we don't go to. At least mine looks realistic as snow on the roof. Snow doesn't fall like that. This is a dream world. No, it's snow falls. Clearly. It's fake.
Here are the finished products. This one's mine, of course, like we said before. That's Julie's. I mean, it didn't turn out too bad, but like... And then this is Anita's. Pretty good. So yeah, that's our night.
Comment down below which one you think should win.
What up, everyone? Today's Saturday, December 29th, and I'm taking Anton on a little surprise trip. It's his little birthday trip. And we're at a stop right now, but we're gonna get going and yeah, see what the day has in store for him.
But I know I'm better with you. gonna stop. No matter how hard, whatever piece is missing, you know how to fix it.
That was so much fun. Thank you so much for the birthday present.
You're welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was the best surprise I ever had.
It wasn't. It was supposed to be a surprise, but Anton had an idea, so it was.
I'm sorry. You just
know me.
I just figured it out.
You just know me. But
It's just
yeah.
the way you said it. Like, this is the.
What Anton wants to do, and what Anton wants to do is fly.
Yeah. So I figured, but I didn't know it was on a seaplane. That kind of shocked me. I thought it was either like a regular plane or a helicopter.
Yeah, I thought you'd think it's a helicopter.
Yeah, but then
That's what everybody does.
seaplane is like, what? But it's pretty cool.
We landed on the water, which is cool.
Yeah. It's pretty smooth though.
Yeah.
It's really
not
smooth.
as bad as an airplane. That's there wasn't as much turbulence either.
No, but it was cool flying over the Golden Gate Bridge, the Bay Bridge, Alcatraz. You could actually see.
And all the little places in San Fran that we saw, that we went to.
Oh yeah, like Pier 39, Fisherman's Wharf.
Do you know what I was showing you? I was showing you the rooftop garden that we were on. It has like a little fountain in the middle. And when we went, there was no water in it. There was like water in it. And it was like bright blue.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to show you.
And the coastline was pretty sick.
Yeah,
The coastline
that was cool.
nice.
Highway 1. And the coast. Oh, and the bunkers that we saw.
Oh yeah. It's cool because we've been to San Francisco a lot. So all the spots that we flew over, we were like, oh, we were there.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah.
But I hate how you can hear on the mic. I thought you had to press a button.
No. But
Whenever you say something, everybody else hears in the plane.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was fun.
But like from the air, San Francisco is actually pretty small.
Yeah,
It's small. Like
that's true.
I was pretty shocked because when you're down there, you know, like you don't realize the downtown is pretty small compared to the rest of the city. So
I know, that was shocking too. All the piers were really close together, but when you're driving, you're like,
Yeah.
wow, they're so far.
or walking.
Oh yeah, when you're walking.
like in downtown when you walk from place to place.
Oh, yeah.
It seems so big. And
like
far.
Ghirardelli, whatever. I didn't know there was that like the little thing that goes all the way around. You could probably
Yeah.
walk on it and see everything. So yeah,
I didn't see any people.
found some hidden locations.
So
Just
maybe
kidding.
not.
Did some cool stuff, and now we're on to doing more stuff.
What are we doing next?
We're going to Mount Tamalpais. I don't know how to say it, and I've never learned how to pronounce it, but it's Tamalpais. I think something like that. That's where we're going.
Tamalpais.
Yep.
Gotcha.
And we've been there before too.
Stay tuned. Tune, stay you.
And in the movie, in the middle, saw some new places.
Saw some. No, just say we saw some new places.
Saw some. We.
Stay tuned. No, don't.
Okay.